A former Savannah police officer accused of murdering a Chatham County man now waiting to hear if a judge will grant him bond. Ernest Ferguson attended a virtual hearing at the Chatham County Courthouse today. His attorneys argue that Ferguson should be released on bond, saying he's not a danger to himself or the public. The judge heard from prosecutors who want Ferguson to stay behind bars while he awaits trial for the murder of Saudi Lee. Lee was shot and killed after a police chase in June of 2022. The judge did not make a decision today, but says she will take the bond request under advisement. Right now, Ferguson remains in the Chatham County Detention Center. And he's also at the center of a civil lawsuit filed by Saudi Lee's family in federal court. The family in the city of Savannah going back and forth recently in filings and whether there should be a civil case at all. The city's response to that lawsuit shows exactly what Ferguson's criminal defense may be. The lawsuit filed by Saudi Lee's parents and his estate states that Ferguson had a history of misconduct and disciplinary issues that were ignored by the department, and the city is responsible in part for 31-year-old Saudi Lee's death in 2022. The key piece of evidence in this entire case will be the body camera footage of that day in June. While it's not been released yet, the city extensively details what that video shows in their recent filings in asking to dismiss this civil case. The family says Ferguson, quote, barricaded himself behind his vehicle with his weapon drawn when he saw Lee, and that Lee reached for his wallet to show his weapons permit, and his hands were raised at that time. The city's lawyers say the body camera footage tells a different story. They say you can hear Ferguson say to Lee that everything's good as he approached, but when the officer did get close, Lee allegedly unholstered his pistol, begins to back away, and states, "You're going to have to kill me." As shown in this screenshot the court revealed from that video, Lee has his gun in the low ready position, they say. That's when Ferguson fires, shooting and killing Lee. Beyond the video itself, Chatham County District Attorney Shalina Cook-Jones has not revealed what evidence her office has against Ferguson in this case.
The grand jury process is a secret proceeding. Both the evidence that is shared with the grand jury as well as their deliberations. It would be a violation of the law for me to go into what was presented to them.
Now, once again, that body camera footage has not been released to the media or the public because this is an ongoing case. Ferguson was fired from the Savannah Police Department in October of 2022 for what Savannah police call an unrelated incident. A federal judge will decide on the status of the city's request to drop the civil lawsuit filed by Lee's family in the next few weeks.